Hello everyone and welcome sa 185th na 17 Hall sa channel na to. So for this video, meron tayo ng S-Scoops birthday box version 4, I think. Basta yung latest. So yun yung birthday box na gusto ko recently kasi ang ganda talaga nung concept nung kay Chol. Also the red hair. So, ayan, makabili tayo sa wakas. So nung pre-order kasi yung friend ko, busy. Nakalimutan niya na pre-order. Tapos naubusan na nung birthday box. So, hindi ako naka-order nung kay Chol. Nakita ko lang to sa where to sell recently kasi tumatambay na naman ako sa where to sell. So, ayan. Meron tayo. Dapat scoops. Grabe. Ang hina ko talaga sa sa scoops red hair. So, ayan. So, meron tayong note. So, thank you so much for your trust. Ayan. Dito galing yung scoops birthday box ko. So, nagkataon na nakita ko lang siya one day. Hihihihi. Ayan tayong freebies. Ooh, scoops. Tino. Then, Chani. Cute. So, yun yung freebie natin. Ooh. Yippee! Yan. So, ito yung first birthday box ko for this album kasi wala pa yung kay Woozy. Hindi pa kasi napapaship from Korea pero ayan. Meron tayong happy birthday version. Ano nga? Happy Scoops Day birthday box version 4. Ayan. So, malakas ang bias rec ni Scoops talaga sa akin. So, ayan pa tayo. Dadagdagan na tayo ng collection. Oh, official pa lang packaging. So, meron tayong shadow Scoops. Kaya pala kumakanta na shadow. Scoops. Wow! Oh, cool. Merong 17. So, ito yung pinakamaganda yung packaging sa lahat ng birthday box na meron at the moment. Kasi ang cool dahil meron tayo nung parang DVD? VHS? Anong tamang ano. Pero, ooh, that's so cool. Man, that's so cool. Oh, ganun pa pala yung gilid niya. Unahin muna natin yung ito. So, meron tayo nung program book. Sabi dun sa listing. So, check muna natin siya. Tayong shadow. Yeah, ganda talaga ng pagka-red. So, by this, Scoops is a model office worker known for his infectious smile and trusted by his peers. But when night falls, he succumbs to a chilling cynicism. Alone in the evening, when everyone else has left for home, he descends into his own dark world in the deserted office, revealing a cold-hearted demeanor. Okay, shadow. Wow, iba naman si Badet. May pa-concept story. Ah! God! Ang pogi ni Scoops! Mama. Look at him. Oh God, red-haired chol. Damn. Kung may budget lang, kukolektahin ko lahat ng birthday box this version. Kasi ang ganda ng mga concept nila, to be honest. Kaso, mahal eh. What sort of ending do you prefer? Damn, iba naman. May English translation though. What's your favorite seat at the movie theater? Wow. Cuteness! Scoops! Mama! Ang gwapo, mother. Look at him. The theme of today's birthday shoot was a birthday celebration as the hero in the movie. What was it like being a mysterious office worker for your shoot? That I look like a cold-blooded villain in a hip-hop team performance during the last tour. Grabe, Scoops na red hair na nagmamonster na doorbell. That's what turns out so you're not the villain everyone thought I was. Ang gwapo ni Chol! Damn. If colleagues threw a birthday party for novice, what would they like? No, it's a fun party. The 3-tiered cake. Cute. Ah! Mama! Grabe. Si happy birthday naman. Okay, sir. What's a 17 song that would suit me? What would you like? Anyone? Tibalik. Damn. Happy birthday and I hope you don't get too lonely. Happy birthday. Gusto ko yung character concept. Actor yarn. Ah, mama, guwapo. Ay, iba naman si Badet. To Scoops from Jonghan. May heart. Paano kaya nakalagay dyan? I like the color. Cute. So, yun yung first item natin. I think meron tayo nung mini poster. Baka ito yun. Ito lang naman mukhang mini. Go for the Scoops. And sealed to, kaya may sleeves na yung photo card, I think. Meron tayo. Ooh! Mini poster. Grabe na yan. Kwapo ni Chal. Mini poster. And then, ito yung lahat ng ibang inclusions. Most likely yung magnet, sabi ko. So, next. Meron tayo dapat instant photo set. Ito yun. Ang dami palang maliliit na inclusion ulit. So, meron tayong instant photo set. So, yun muna yung unahin natin. Kasi yun yung una ko nakikita dun sa listahan. Naka-open yung listing ngayon ng Weavers. Meron tayong Scoops Cutie. Baby boy. Yan. So, shadow. And then, hatalikod lang yung isa. Next, meron tayo nung magnet. Tari, may magnet. Magnet, pero tama talaga ang baka dyan. Magnet, pero mong pin. Bakit magnet yung pangalan niya? Anyway. Wait, hindi ito yung magnet. Ito yung magnet. I was wrong. Hala, ang ganda ng pin. Oo nga pala. Gusto ko talagang kolekta. Hindi ito yung pins. Kaso, ano tayo ng magnet? Ayun yung magnet. I was wrong. Oh, yung album. Yung ano lang din. Hindi. Ibang concept photo pero like, guwapo ni Chol. Hala, ang ganda kolektahin ng mga Hindi tayo mayaman, di natin afford yung 13 na OT13 na birthday box. Pero ang ganda ng inclusions ngayon. May magnet. Other birthday box can relate. So, after ko makita yung magnet, ano nakikita ko ngayon? Postcard set. So, I do think ito yung postcard set. Pero, pin badge na nga lang unahin natin kasi nabuksan ko na. So, ito yung pin badge. Ang ganda ng pin badge. Kakapanood ko to ng TikTok ng mga badge Pero, anyway. Ayan. So, meron tayong black na cake para dun sa character ni Chol. Ganda ng badge. I like this. Pero, ang ganda i-display sa corkboard. So, yun yung shadow na badge ni Chol. Pin badge. Ano ba nakikita ko dito? Siyempre, meron tayong photo card set. Pero mamaya na natin yan. Unahin natin yung iba. Meron tayong postcard set. So, attach. Meron tayong postcard na Chol. Postcard set, pero isa lang. Hindi ba isa pa? Hello, guwapo naman ni Scoops. Grabe naman iyan. So, medyo may dents. But anyway, and then yung isa pa, ay yung may cake. So, nilagyan ng sleeves ng seller. Ang guwapo ni Chol, mama. So, ito yung likod nung isa niyang postcard. Bakit phone, kaya mo pa ba? Okay, so yun yung dalawang postcard. Ang postcard para dun sa birthday box. Ang ganda talaga naman. Ang ganda talaga ng red hair Chol. Meron tayong Scoops 2 cut. Cute baby. Wow. And then, film photo ni Chol. So, I guess ito yun. Just this two. May siya ngayon. Kinem-kem. Meron tayong film photo. Ala! Cute! Ang ganda naman ng birthday box ngayon, in fairness sa kanila. Like, ito yung birthday box na mapapakolekta ka ng OT13 kung talagang may pera ka. Tapos, meron siyang case. Like, pwede mo siyang ilagay dun. Ayan. So, meron tayong Scoops. Tapos, pwede mong galawin para maging Scoops. May cake din. Cute! And then, yung last ay yung movie ticket. So, ito yung movie ticket ni Scoops. Hala! OP yun. So, meron tayong Shadow, release 2024-8-8, Scoops, thriller crime. Wow. Happy birthday, Scoops. Happy Scoops Day. So, ang tagal na ng birthday ni Chol. Pero anyway. And then, last, meron tayo ng photo card set. Ilang photo card na dapat meron to? 2, 4, 6, 7 ang photo cards. I guess, baka dito nakalagay photo card. Hindi. Doon nakalagay yung pin. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 na photo cards. So, unahin natin yung mga wow! Grabe, ang pogi naman ni Chul. Damn! Oh my God, ala cute! Oh my God, deserve. Wow, gwapo ni Chul, mama. Kagwapo naman ni Badet. Ayan. So, yan yung lahat ng inclusions for Scoop's birthday box. So, shadow. Ito yung H, since siya yung first. Birthday special movie. Ito yung naka-ano. Then, yung black pa concept. Oh my God, ang gwapo ni Chul. Oh my God, deserve ang birthday box na to. So, buti na lang taga-rumupok ako. Ako isang marupok na lalalang. Alam ko naman yun. Tanggap ko na siya. So, again, yun yung lahat ng inclusions para dun sa Scoop's birthday box. Tingnan mo naman yan, ang gwapo-gwapo. Anyway, kung nag-enjoy naman po kayo sa aking tagpo-fangirl sa Red Hair Chol, ang aking bias wrecker, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, see you sa next video. Bye-bye! Hala, gwapo. Buti na lang talaga nakita ko to sa timeline nung marupok ako. So, yun lang po. Bye-bye!